12 o'clock na po dito. Sa Tochigi-ken, Japan. Kuroiso City, to be specific. Yan sila. Trying to make the snowman of Nisho Sangyo Corporation. In the middle of the night. Yan, si Grenas, Tagapala. Overtime kami dito. Overtime without pay. Hinihingal pa ako. Kain libre. Noodles. Ramen. Maling. Itlog. Yan si Bagit. Hindi lang namin alam kung paano gumawa at magkorte ng snowman. Ayun. Ayun si Jello. Attempting to have their picture. Hura, hura. Hura means hoy. Listen me. Kulang pa daw. Okay, mamaya. We'll see kung magkaroon ng pagbabago yung snowman nila.